Hello children, very good morning to all. Weekly test 1 is live now. It is based on the content from day 1 to day 7. I hope every one of you got prepared well. Now, how to attempt the exam? Relating this, we are providing this demo video. So just go through the message. You need to select your class first. If you belong to grades 1 and 2, then you need to click on the link below foundation stage. Next is preparatory stage for grades 3 to 5. Next is middle stage for grades 6 to 8. Next is secondary stage for grades 9 to 10. You just need to click on the respected link. But before clicking the link, go through the instructions once. The time limit of the exam is 45 minutes. Number of questions will be 25 in total. Passing score will be 70%. At the end of the exam, if you click on analysis, you will get a complete analysis, and you can attempt it flexibly at whatever time you want. At any time today, you can attempt the exam. You can also re-attempt if you want to improve your score and if you want to improve your speed. And the main rule is, do not close or refresh the browser while taking the test. So first, find a quiet spot, take a deep breath, and do your best. So best of luck, students. Now, suppose if you click on the link related to your class, like this web page will come. Foundation stage, test for grades 1 and 2, ready for the grand test, like that message will come. Next, you need to click on start exam now. First question will come. Here, timer is getting displayed here. The exam duration is 45 minutes. This question is 1 of 25. The stand of the question is easy. So which comes next immediately after 15. So without clicking the answer, you can't proceed further. Compulsorily, you need to choose the answer. Then only you can proceed further. Once if you have chosen the answer, you can come back. If you want, you can change the answer. It's not an issue. But compulsorily, you need to check any one answer. So read the question, check any one answer. Like that, try to finish the quiz. Because you have 45 minutes of time, keep a rough book beside you, do the calculation, and what is the correct answer, calculate properly, and then keep the answer. Don't try to manipulate. So we are just giving this exam to test your knowledge by yourself. So that's why don't try to manipulate. Whatever you know, you try to solve that question and try to attempt the answer. See, here standard is hard. Like that, this question is a mixed, we have given with mixed difficulty, like easy, medium, hard. 22, next 23, 24, 25. Now all questions I have attempted. So now I can click on submit the exam. So 16% only correct. 21 questions are wrong. 1 minute 39 seconds I have taken time. My level based on my score, it is showing learner. I am not expert, I am just a learner. So I can, if I want, I can take the exam again. Otherwise, view detailed analysis is there. I can just click on view detailed analysis. Then what is the question? What answer I have kept? What is the answer? What is the explanation? Complete details I will get. So after completing the exam, so here you can reply. You can comment about the exam, how you have felt while writing the exam, or this day 1 to day 7. What is your experience? That all you can comment. You can keep your name, email, and all details you can fill, and you can send a message. And if you want this score, you can take a screenshot and you can share to your concerned class teacher. Okay children, have a good day. Best of luck.